Hello to our standard students, welcome back to chapter 1, applications of matrices and determinants. In the exercise 1.5, your last and final sum, number 4, a boy is walking through the path y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So your equation is going to be ax square plus bx plus c, name it as Roman letter 1. And then he passes through the points minus 6, 8, minus 2, minus 12 and 3, 8. Okay. So the 3 points they have given. What is the meaning of these 3 points? It is, if you get a quadratic itself, it is going to be a curve. Okay, it is going to be like this. Sorry. Okay, so the first point is going to be, what is our first point? 3, 8. We'll take the positive point 3, 8 here, and then minus 2, minus 12, and here you will get your minus 6, 8. And he wants to meet his friend at 7. So you extend this curve and your 7 will be here, 7, 60. Okay. We'll come to that at the last. First we'll find out our A, B and C and then we'll do that one. Okay. So he's walking through this path. You are going to find your A, B and C using the Gaussian elimination method. So we have to substitute our 1 by 1. First we'll substitute minus 6, 8. So minus 6, 8 lies on the path 1. Okay, so substituting you get 8 equal to A into minus 6 the whole square plus B into minus 6 plus C. So you will get it as, after reducing, this will be 36A minus 6B plus C equal to 8. Okay, now the second point, what is our second point? Minus 2 minus 12 again lies on the path. Okay, Roman letter 1. So it is minus 12 A into minus 2 the whole square plus B into minus 2 plus C. So writing it, you will get 4A minus 2B plus C equal to minus 12. This is going to be your first equation. Okay, and then what is our third point? 3, 8, isn't it? Similarly 3, 8 lies on the path. Okay, so again substituting, 8 equal to A into 3 square plus B into 3 plus C. So 9A plus 3B plus C equal to 8. Okay, so out of these 3 equations, this we don't have 1 anywhere, so I will take this 4A minus 2B as the first equation, and then the second equation, this is going to be our second equation, and this is going to be our third equation. Okay, so now we can write our Ax equal to B. What is our A first equation coefficients? 4 minus 2 1, and second equation 36 minus 6 and 1, and our third equation 9 3 and 1, and our constant also similarly you will get here, it is as minus 12. Second equation it is 8, and our second equation and third equation are the same. Yeah, got 8 only. Okay, so 8 and it is going to be minus 12, isn't it? Okay, so 9 3 and 1 also will get the answer as 8. Okay, for 36 okay, now this you are going to write in the format of Ax. So here you put your unknowns A, B and C equal to, this is going to be our right hand side constant. Okay, so Ax equal to B. Now you write your augmented matrix A, B. So you are going to get 4 minus 2 1, 36 minus 6 1, 9 3 and 1. This is going to be our A, and drop the line and it is minus 12, 8 and 8. Okay. Now we are going to use our row echelon form. What you have to do for row echelon form? You have to reduce the elements below the principal diagonal. Okay, this is going to be a first thing. So here row 2, you are going to reduce it. So row 2 minus, to bring this 36 you have to multiply by 9, isn't it? So 9 R1. Okay, and similarly our row 3, so there is no common factor in row 3, so you are going to just cross multiply. So 4 into row 3. Okay, 4 R3 minus 9 R1 is going to give your answer. Now what is our row 2? 36 minus 6, 1 and 8. 9 into R1, 9 4s are 36, 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, 9 into 12 is 108, and you got a minus sign. Put your minus sign there. Now changing the sign throughout, all your plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Okay, so this is equal, so you cancel it 0. Here it is 18 minus 6 is going to give you 12, and here it is minus 8, and here it is 116. Okay, this is going to be your row 2. Okay, what about 4 into row 3? 36, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and 4 8s are 32. This is going to be our 4. What is this? 4R3. Okay, now we are going to do 9R1. So again it is 36, 9 2s are minus 18, 9 1s are 9 and 9 minus 108. Okay, so you are going to change your sign, plus into minus and minus into plus. So these are equal, cancel it, and these are equal, so you get 20, 30, and here it is minus 5, and this you have to add, so 10, 140. Okay, so this is going to be your row 3. Now you can write your equivalent matrix. First row remains the same. We have changed only our second row and third row. Second row is 0, 12, minus 8 and 116, and our third row is 0, 30, minus 5 and 140. Okay, so what are common in R2 and R3? In R2 4 is common, so divide by 4, and in R3 what is common? 5, you can divide it by 5. So you are going to get the answers as again equivalent. 4 minus 2, 1 minus 12, and R2 after dividing by 4, 0, 3 minus 2, and the last one it is going to be 2 times and 29 times. Okay, 29, and our R3 similarly dividing by 5, you will get it as 0, 6 minus 1, and here it is going to be 2 times and 8 times. Okay, 28. So drop the line. Now you are going to bring this 6 to 0. So you are going to change your R3. So R3 minus 2 into R2. Okay, so what is our R3? 0, 6 minus 1 and 28. 2 into R2, 0, 6 minus 4, 2 into 29, it will give 58. So change your sign, plus into minus and minus into plus. This gets cancelled, 0, 0, this is going to be 3 and this is going to be 30. Okay, 3 and minus 30. Now you can write 4 minus 2, 1 and minus 12. Second row remains the same, so no change in it, and our third row is 0, 0, 3 and minus 30. So this is in our row echelon form. Okay, now separate it. 4 minus 2, 1, 0, 3 minus 2, 0, 0, 3. This is going to be our A, and our unknown. Here our unknown are A, B and C. So take it as A, B and C equal to our constant is minus 12, 29 and minus 30. Okay. Now back substitution method you are going to do. So first you are going to take your R3. A and B are 0. So you get only 3C equal to minus 30. So C equal to, when you cancel minus 30 by 3, you will get it as minus 10. Okay, so it is going to be minus 10. Therefore C equal to minus 10. Now taking our R2, you have got two values, so A is 0, so you will get 3B minus 2C equal to 29. Substitute your C, minus 2 into minus 10 equal to 29. So you are going to get it as plus 20. So 3B equal to 29 minus 20, that is equal to 9. Therefore B is equal to 3. Our value of B is going to be 39 by 3. And next you are going to take your row 1, 4A minus 2B plus C. How are you getting this ABC? You are multiplying by each row into this column. Okay, you are starting from row 3. That is how you are getting this. And you are equating to the right hand side constant. If it is first row, last row, the last constant, second row comes to the middle constant, and the first row comes to the first constant. So this is equal to minus 12. Okay, now substitute for B and C. 4A minus 2 into 3 minus 10 equal to minus 12. So 4A, this is minus 6, so minus 16 equal to minus 12. So 16 goes that side, it becomes plus. So 16 minus 12 gives you 4, which implies A equal to 1. Okay, now we are going to substitute A equal to 1, B equal to 3 and C equal to minus 10 in Roman letter 1. Okay, substitute. What is our Roman letter 1? Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, that is x square plus 3b minus 10 equal to y. Okay, this is our Roman letter 1 after finding out. And now they are asking us whether he will meet his friend at the point 7, 60. What is the meaning? We are going to verify whether this lies on Roman letter 1. So when you substitute, you have to get equal. So our y value is 60. So we will do in the RHS. We will substitute in RHS. Put x equal to 7. You should get equal to 70. Okay. So in RHS, you are going to substitute. What is our RHS? X square. Sorry, this is x, isn't it? This is going to be 3x. Okay, plus 3x minus 10, x equal to 7. So 7 the whole square plus 3 into 7 minus 10. So you are going to get 49 plus 21 minus 10. $14, 39 plus 21. Okay, it is going to give you answer as 60. Okay, so 49 minus 10 is 39 plus 21 equal to 60, that is equal to LHS, because here y equal to 60. Okay, so it is equal. Therefore he will meet his friend. Therefore 7, 60 is on the path. Okay, therefore he will meet his friend. So this is going to be the answer. Or you can is on the path or lies on the path, you can write it as anyhow you want. Okay, so since it satisfies the Roman letter 1 equation, both the side you are getting 60, so this lies on the path. That means he will meet his friend is the final answer. Okay, thank you.